Okay, so everyone, we're back again. This is the finishing bit. I think they're doing the last part of the fishing net pulling in from the last video that I just showed you. And they've got lots of small fish, a few big fishes. There isn't really much because they've been fishing around here. As you can see, all those pegs. That's people who've made weekly fishing nets everywhere. So you know, everybody's trying to catch fish from the same patch, and I think they've done it a few times before. There isn't really that much left. There might be one or two big fishes. I think that guy bending down is trying to catch something big. There you go, I think I found something there. You can see there's about 15-16 men. It's a very laborious task, labour intensive. They've got some fish there. They've caught a few more before in those blue baskets that you can see around there. But it isn't really that much compared to what you would get usually. I think one of the problems is overfishing these days, and this is the end of the fishing season rather than the beginning, and they put the net in almost fully. There isn't much there. Suleiman! Hey, where'd you go down there for? My son, he's gone down there to see you. So yeah, there you go, they're catching a few fish and chucking it in. But that's about it really. Maybe I can go down and just do a quick show you guys what's going on. Trying to see if I can go down there. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Go on, look at that. Oh my god, quite sharp around here. Okay, I'll try and go down this way. So why did you go down the other way for then? A bit easier this way. Yeah, let's go and see what these guys have got. Down here now. Careful. Hold up, let me see. Hey, video. Move yourself. Careful, move back. Move back. Let's see what fish they've got. Yeah, exactly. Little jumping fish. There's one there. See, look how these kids catch them. You see that? Huh? You can do with a little one. Keep it. Let's see. Let's see what they got. Yeah, they're trying to open the last few fish, hopefully. Let's see if they got anything. Stand back, guys, stand back. We've got loads of little fish running around. But can't see many big fish. Look, let me see what big fish they got. Stand back. Don't come here. No! Stand back. Stand back. This is the combination of all their work for the last probably week or so, and the final fish are inside this net, whatever they're going to get. Let's have a look over here. Look at the back of that. Check it out. Is that mass? Okay, I think this is going to take another half an hour, so I think that's all I'll give you for now, but you get the idea. The guys are catching fish and how they do fishing in the river. And there's about 15-16 men here. Hope you enjoyed that. Speak to you soon.